Hi everyone, I'm Jomi and I'm gonna record a homework solution video for question number 9 in homework 8 for the course probability and stochastic processes. So for this question, the question asks us to show that if x1, x2 and to the infinity is a Markov chain, then it is statistically determined by the second order probability methods in this format: p of xi equals to x little xi and xj equals to xj for any ij equals to 1, 2, 3 to the infinity. So first I'm gonna write the equation for this form. So it will be the probability of xt1 less than or equal to x1 on the condition that x2 equals to x2 and xt3 equals to x3 blah 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 to the xtn equals to xn, which where n is infinity. So and this equation right here, we can write it in this form, which is the probability of xt1 less than or equals to x1 on the condition that xt2 equals to x2 times the probability that x1 equals to x1 and x2 equals to x2 and x3 equals to x3 to the xn equals to xn. And we can keep transforming this equation to this equation right here. So this equation is the probability of xn on a condition that xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1 to the x1 equals to x1 times the probability of xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1 to the x1 equals to x1. So for the same reason, we can also transform the equation right here to the equation right here. So this is the probability of xn equals to xn on the condition that xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1 to the xn equals to x1. So the first part is stays the same. So and the second part turns to the probability of xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1 under the condition that xn minus 2 equals to xn minus 2 onto the x1 equals to x1, and times the same form right here onto the probability of x1 equals to x1. So and we can also transform this part into this part, the probability of xn equals to xn on the condition that xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1. So for the half equation of the second order probability methods, the px1 xi equals to xi, which will be equals to the summation of the probability of xi equals to xi to the xi equals to k, where k starts from negative infinity to the infinity. So from this equation, we can get this equation right here. So the probability of xi equals to xi on the condition that xi equals to xi equals to 1. Xi minus 1 equals to xi minus 1 will be equals to the probability of xi equals to xi and xi minus 1 equals to xi minus 1 divided by the probability of xi minus 1 equals to xi minus 1. So you can see these two function is the same. So we can prove that if x1, x2 is Markov chain, then it's statistically determined by the second order probability methods. Thanks for watching.